Be strong.
Hi everyone, so here I am back with our next topic, that's component of environment. So let's begin. Basically this component of environment have been classified into three broader way, that is natural, human made or human. Now what is natural? What are the components of natural environment? So the components of natural environment, for that I want you to see this. There is a deer, it is jumping on the land and then it jumped into the water and it needs air to breathe. So do you think anything is whatever this deer is trying to use, out of this anything is man-made or not natural? I think no. So this is the natural environment for this deer, and so we can say that the components of natural environments are air, water, land, or all the living things. Along with that there are some other components also, like the sunlight or wind, rain. All these things are a part of our natural environment. Whatever occurs naturally, that is natural environment. Next is human. It is the environment which is created or which is based on the values and the beliefs of human being. Maybe it is your individual belief, it is the rules or regulations or the beliefs of the family, it can be the beliefs or the values of community or the rules and regulations of the community. What are the rituals or the tradition which is followed under the religion, or the education, the educational environment like we have in our school, or the economic scenarios which a country face at certain point of time, or business faces at certain point of time, on political situations on in a country. So all these things are based upon the human emotions, its beliefs, its values, its practices. So this type of environment is called is created by human being because of their values or their practices. So this is one more component of environment where our environment gets affected. Like when we are in our family, they become our environment, because we are surrounded by with our family, where we are going to attend some community event, or we are going to a religious place, or we are doing some rituals at home, we are going to an educational institute, that becomes our environment. Economic scenarios of a company, whether it is going up, whether it is going down, if it starts affecting our emotions, it starts affecting our values. So whatever thing which is surrounding you and you are going to interact with it, so that is your environment. Okay, next is human made environment. Human made environment is very simple. Whatever things which is made by human being for their own comfort, that is human made environment. For example, we have made buildings, we have made parks, bridges, roads, industries, or different factories, or IT sectors or businesses. So these all things, whatever we have, or new inventions, aeroplane, anything whatever is made by human, which has not been provided by nature but we have created it, that is human made environment. So this was about the components of environment, which includes natural, human and human made environment. We will be back soon with our new videos. Till then, please subscribe our channel to get the updates. Thank you.
Be strong. Be strong.